Measuring brand sentiment is really important. It's great to know where you stand so that you know what you need to work on. You know, what gets measured gets managed, right? So bringing in like roundtable discussions with key opinion leaders or other, potential customers that can sit in a focus group type of environment is really helpful for many companies at this stage. Getting feedback on, how the product is working, how the brand is perceived, what the marketing message sounds like. Those are all things that we do for our clients because we know how important it is to understand the sentiment, what the perception is, not only of the brand, but the product, of the way it's being portrayed in the industry. So all of these are really, really critical steps. There's so many things to think about. You can tell that it's as you peel away the onion, there's just so many things to be aware of that contribute to a successful product or company launch.